Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to remove your glove box in a 2011 Ford F-150. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. 7mm socket, and there is 3 trim bolts or screws down here. I'm going to take all 3 out. I like to do this and leave the glove box latched, so that way I don't have to hold on to everything, balance it. Now I can hold on to this under the latch and just slide the glove box out at an angle. So to install it, I just go at an angle, put those ears in there. That's the door that stops. And I line up the latch, snap that. Now I've got my 3 mounting screws, and I'll put those in on the bottom. This is the 7mm socket. Get the center one and the right side, then the left. Now if you have any problems with the felt, that's a metal tab. You can always bend that back for a better visual effect. There we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.